Hi, my name's Tom, and I'm going to show you my brand new light fixtures, how they're actually installed in a moment. But first, I want to kind of show you how they come packaged. So when you open them up, you get instruction manual. It's pretty straightforward. If you've ever installed light fixtures before, it's pretty straightforward. They come well packed like this. This is foam. I'm going to peel it open. Comes in a little bag. It has 3 little wire nuts and some screws for mounting a hardware plate. And then you actually have the light itself. It all comes pre-packaged. And we'll go ahead and open the bag up now. Here you go. It's a really nice light. This is metal, by the way. I believe it's aluminum, but it is spray coated. It's kind of a nice matte black. I like it a lot. Got the wiry looks. It looks like wrought iron. It's not wrought iron because it's not that heavy, but it looks just like it, and it feels great. This is quality stuff. And then it's got a little plate on it. This plate, you take these screws out. The plate comes off. You attach that plate to the electrical box in your ceiling, and then you go ahead, you connect the wires, and you just put it up here, and those 2 little nuts hold this whole thing in place. It's really very easy to install. I've installed 2 of them so far. This is my 3rd one, and I want to show you one extra thing that kind of makes these things really stand out. So here's my light fixture in the hallway. It looks pretty good. I'll turn the light on. Ta-da! Nice and bright. It looks great. Whole thing just looks nice and modern. It's wonderful. However, I'm using traditional 60-watt bulbs here, just frosted glass bulbs. These are okay, but if you really want these light fixtures to pop, I suggest you do this. Ta-da! I suggest you use these LED bulbs that are kind of like Edison bulb style. I'll turn the light off so you can see them. They have nice yellow filaments. They stand out real nice. They have a nice shape to them. I suggest you use these to make these light fixtures really stand out. So now, even when they're turned off, it still looks like an art piece. This light fixture is beautiful light fixture. It's heavy duty. It's really nice. I highly recommend it. But it does not come with light bulbs. That's okay. You can use traditional boring light bulbs in it, but I would strongly recommend you use these Edison type bulbs. And I would suggest you use the LED ones like I have right here because it saves energy and it's much brighter and they look great. They look really good. So if you're going to get any sort of a light fixture with no glass globe where the bulbs will be exposed even when it's turned off, then I would strongly recommend you also get these. I got both of these from Amazon and they work great.